through you, pinakilala mo yung sports sa Pinoy. Ano tingin mo ang potential talaga natin na mag-excel sa pole vault? I mean, yung build ba ng Pinoy, si Skaya, and may ginugroom ka ba or may nakikita ka? Although young ka pa naman so hindi pa tayo dapat maghanap ng next EJ o Vienna. Pero may nakikita ka bang susunod sa'yo?
I think so. Right now we already have Hackett de los Santos. I don't know if am I loud enough? So we have Hackett de los Santos, already a silver medalist in Southeast Asian Games back in Vietnam. So, there's already quote-unquote the next generation. And I think we shouldn't wait until like, I can barely do it, and then we start. No, we should start now. This is, this is a high time, not just for my sport, but for all the sports. And there's an all-time interest, and I really think we need to invest. What I mean by that is make it accessible to everyone who wants to do it. Probably the hardest thing, to do in anything is to have that inspiration. And right now, because of how well Philippines did in this past two Olympics, Philippines sport and the kids and the interest is really at the all-time high. And I hope the agencies that are responsible will take advantage of this and really capitalize on the interest of this next generation of athletes to try different sports.
Thank you.
EJ, good afternoon. Andrew Slovenia from Bulgar Sports. My first question is this: maybe a quick answer. Will you be targeting LA 2028?
Well, I'm targeting the World Championship next year. We have two World Championships. One is in China in March, and then we have one in September. Then, hopefully, a home competition that's that's supposed to happen this year.
Yeah. So based on your competition, what can you say is the more or less the maximum, or who's the oldest among your competitors?
So before Mondo Duplantis, the world record was jumped by Sergey Bubka when he was 35. So for me, like if you're asking if I'm, at that age, I don't think physically I am at that age where I need to worry about, kaya pa ba ng katawan ko o hindi na. I don't think it's that. It's the fire. 2 days ago, I woke up. A good friend of mine, the guy who, let's say, took the bronze from my hand, which is Emmanuel Corrales, he just jumped 588. I woke up and I was like, I'm here in Manila running around, having fun, I would say, and enjoying my time here back home. It's like, I was like, what am I doing here? And like, that fire is still there. How long that fire is going to be there, I don't know. Only God can tell. And as long as I have that, as long as I feel like I'm willing to do what is necessary to compete at the highest level, I'll be here. Next thing it might be LA. Who knows? But I don't want to waste anybody's time. I don't want to give you guys false hope. If I say, right away, I'm gonna be there no matter what. Do you want me to be there and not represent Philippines at the highest level? I would not do that. And I don't want to give anyone, like just for the sake of it. EJ's aiming for LA. No, I'm aiming each year. I really want to be the best athlete my coach has ever trained, and that's something that's keeping the fire burning.
Lastly, one final question. I'm just curious, when did you start drinking Milo?
A long time ago. I think there's a photo of me somewhere out there in the internet wearing sandals, doing hurdles back in Weekly Relay in Rizal Memorial. I don't know how old I was, but very, very young. There's those, those Milo trucks with those little cups. I still can't seem to figure out what they do with those, why it tastes so much better. Mas masarap siya eh. No joke, no kidding. Mas masarap siya kaysa dun sa tinitimpla sa bahay. So, yeah, I used to drink Milo, like, this is not like paid or something. I really do drink Milo every day before because hot pandesal, I dip it and I eat it. It's still, it's one of those comfort food, I would say.
Later, EJ, I think when you go to Oran World, you'll have a chance to sample that again. So we have another question from Gab. By the way, so we're going to Oranbo so that we can catch the students before they actually go through their dismissal time. So if we can keep our questions to the point and brief. So Gab, I think you're next.
Good afternoon, EJ. Gab Peras, Sports Corner PH. Una sa lahat, congratulations on the recent run on the Paris Olympics. Ano ba yung make a reaction ninyo upon learning na kahit man lang fourth place ka sa Paris Olympics, kahit fourth place ka sa Paris Olympics, kahit papano, parang nakakuha ka na ng gintong medalya sa, of course, it's a great positive result compared to the 11th placing nga dun sa Tokyo natin. Meron pang isa pa. One last.
Gab, medyo, like, I mean, I appreciate you congratulating me, but I've said this in different platforms. It's still very weird for me. What's there to congratulate? I think the Milo team knows that. The moment I met them a while ago in lunch, they congratulated me, and I said, for what? And I mean that with all my heart. I do believe that I could have won at least a medal. I know the year's been very tough, but life goes on. And if you say that I've won or stroke gold better than gold, I think that's hard to say. Of course, it's not about the financial reward that comes with it. It really is something I've worked really hard and really wanted. Unfortunately, not this Olympics, I guess.
Hey, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Gab. And now we have a question from May from One Sports.
Hi, EJ, Maylin from One Sports. How important is it for you as a athlete na you have a solid, strong support system, your family, your coaches, and etong Milo din? How important is it for you?
Oh, it gives me the opportunity to do what I believe is right. Having private sectors and having my family behind me and having all these I would just say good Samaritans really supporting me in everything that I do. It allows me to think freely, not be obstructed by all these little stuff. And as I said, as much as I am who I am, I can't have the same reach as Milo for all the clinics. And that's my goal. My goal is to make sure that anyone in the corner of the Philippines wanted to do pole vault should be able to have the facility, should be able to have the opportunity, the knowledge to do it, to try it. Because this sport has given me a lot, and I really hope that it can do the same to other Filipino kids. And I mean that the bottom of my heart.
Thank you. On a lighter note, nilaunch yung Milo pack na merong mukha mo. And then yung mga Gen Z ngayon, nag-collect sila ng mga photo cards. So yung maliliit na packs ng Milo, they consider it as photo cards na may face mo. How does it feel on your part na you're considered as the nation's boyfriend daw ng mga tao sa internet?
It's really funny. I get tagged in all of this posts. Some people were tagging me kasi there's dalawa sila. What do you call that pack, Sir Carlo? Twin pack, the twin pack. So may iba nagtatag, yung paa na lang, yung legs na lang daw nakuha nila. So I'm just laughing at it. It's just, it gives me good entertainment, really good fun. I don't know how to feel about that. It's a good thing. That's all I can say. It's a really good thing. I hope, I give that representation the best that I can.
Thank you,
Welcome.
EJ. And now, everybody, I'm so sorry. We really would want to take in more questions, but I believe there are also one-on-one schedules that we have to follow before proceeding to Oranbo. So Andrea will announce that.
Yes, thank you everyone for being here today. We just wanted to announce for those who registered with us and advised us early on that you want to do interviews with